Morning, Mom.
Morning.
How are you?
All the Hines.
Good morning.
Good morning and welcome
Good morning. Very nice to be here. My first visit to another Rifles regiment.
Thank you very much. Judith, the team, the sound all right.
Well, Premier. How are you? Very nice to see you again. Yeah, so how long have you been here? I know, it's terrifying, 3 years later, especially with COVID. It's sort of put everything on hold. It's very strange times, so a hard time.
No, we don't. We develop them. We develop them. Yeah.
I'm sure you're very kind to them. Morning,
Morning, Mum.
how are you?
Well, so,
Have you enjoyed it?
yeah, it's really good.
I didn't think it's happened since you have to make the most of it. It's very nice to meet you. How are you? There you are. So where have you come?
Bill Rifles, Bill Rifles.
Yeah. Oh, so you followed on?
Yeah, for a long time, yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Happy to see you.
Good morning, Your Highness.
Tell you how far back I suppose just that.
The question I got was quite a tough one, teaching your option, and that was something which was contrary to the stereotypes that used in the army, where sort of just do what you're told, exactly how you're told. But yeah, you sort of do what you're told, and just able to sort of